I'm gonna buy a hat that has one of these on it.
Go score!
Holy cow.
Get it!
Good job, Sean. Good job. You got it back over.
Get it!
Sean, go kick it hard.
Ooh.
Run. Throw it, hurry! There you go. Barrel time. Go over there. Go by there. All right. Shoot over there.
Get it! Oh my God. Oh, that was close. Get it! Come on! That is Sean.
Get ready!
Come on, number 10. Let's make it go.
Whistle, Sean!
Get it! Kick it out! Good kick, Sean.
Get the ball.
Fine.
Let it go.
Another goal.
There you go, Malachi. Take it. Oh.
Oh, turn it around, get it.
Kick it hard.
So guys, it's been a couple days since we had the soccer game. It's Labor Day weekend.
Happy Labor Day weekend, everyone.
Yes, today's Monday, so it actually is Labor Day. I'm off. I'm a janitor. I'm reading high school. So, there you go. Yeah, it's been working out all right. Needed more money. I get 40 hours a week. We're off on all the holidays, so it works out. So, anyways, we had a good game.
We had a great game. It was a very, very close game. My son hit 2 goalies 2 different times. Every time he scores, he always gets excited.
I love when he gets excited. And it was raining a little bit.
It was. Got a little wet. It kind of felt like those Mr. Fans outside.
But then it was humid.